They got the tree off the line. That line was just bashed in. That tree almost hit their cabin over there. It came off those people's property over there. It's really not off their property. It's off the easement, the road easement. See, there they are. You're wave at them. They've been hard at work all day, all night. Thankless job. Hi, guys. Thank you. I don't know if they've been up since the middle of the night. Probably so. There have been people out all day, and I heard those same guys cutting a tree down over there, so a tree must have hit something over there too after the snowplow came through. Otherwise, the snowplow couldn't have made it. Well, they're getting out to do who knows what. Man, it's a tough job. Being out in the freezing cold and snow and with power lines, that's so dangerous. When I called this second time, I got a lady. I didn't call the 1-800 number. I called the Otero County Electric Co-op office in Cloudcroft Village. And she told me, because I'm in a cell dead zone, I'm in a news blackout. I don't know what's going on. She told me that the power is out from Tiburon to Mayhill to the village of Cloudcroft, all over the mountain. And they had been working since the middle of the night. I hear him saying, cut them all down. Cut down, cut them all down. I'm not sure. He's talking to somebody. Sounds like he's talking on his, well, I don't know. I don't know who he's talking to. The feral kittens. I'm worried about little sister, the runt. You know, she's so wild. The other two feral kittens came into the cabin last night. I was pleased they did, but very surprised. But apparently it was so snowy and cold. When I opened the door to go check the breaker switches, and of course nothing was wrong with the breakers, the two of the feral kittens, the older one, I mean the bigger ones, came in. Now I do know that the runt is down somewhere around here because I've heard her meow. I suspect they're going into the cabin over there. There's an opening in their bottom door that animals could go in easily, and I suspect that's where these kittens usually are sleeping, even though I made them a nice sleeping container. They feel safer in there. That's where I suspect, because when I'm usually not at the road. I'm usually, up at the front door, and they're coming from down below. And I hear them meowing from down below, but apparently she doesn't want to get in the snow too much. There's food out there and water. The water's not frozen over. It's 80 degrees, balmy in the cabin, feels so good. The wood stove went for 14 hours yesterday on 4 pieces of fur before I had to refill it because it got down to 70 degrees in the cabin overnight. Just love that wood stove. Am I getting those guys up there? And look how dangerous that is. Well, bye-bye from Cloudcroft, New Mexico, a few miles outside of it, in the Sacramento Mountains. Still don't have any cell phone service. Obviously, they haven't turned on the electricity yet. Those lines are dead too. Bye-bye.